Guys, a very sweet good evening to all of you. How are you? How are you? Hello, hello, hello. 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 Guys, I'm audible. Hello. Nice. Okay, okay. Very nice. Hello. Good evening, guys. Good evening. How are you? How are you? How are you? Due to reschedule, some people were thinking about the time change. Message retracked. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, whatever. Fast, fast. Ask your friends to join fast. We are going to start soon. Soon क्या हो ही गया. Let's start. In the previous lecture, we did this multiply two numbers. Now, I'm audible. Hello, I'm audible. I'm audible, guys. Okay, nice. So yesterday's the means the previous lecture everything is confirmed. Multiplying how the we have to write the recursive function and how this was working. Everything. Are you guys comfortable with everything we did in the previous class, guys? Please respond fast so that we can move forward. Please write forward in the chat box next concept. That means next questions. Yes, hello, 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 hello. Okay. Very less enthusiasm. I don't know what is happening. 60 people said that we will join the session. Okay, so guys, everybody. Okay, now yesterday we did, yes, guys. Let's see this what we did actually. The steps to write the recursive function. I told you guys to decide the number of parameter as well as the return type. As well as the return type. That means the number of parameter, what are the parameters, and then the return type. Then decide the function call or function body. These are the reversible. That means you can think that it is a second step or third step, or this is the base condition. This is the base condition. Hmm. Power X and E. You can write in the comment box. Why you are writing in the personal chat box? Why ये live जो है in the chat box, everybody will see it. Why you are writing in my personal DM? Yeah, your demands should be there in the live chat box. First of all, let's start this with the Fibonacci. A Fibonacci, everybody know, I guess, that what is Fibonacci. Fibonacci code is there. Yes, the first question of today's concept is Fibonacci. Fibonacci number. Nth Fibonacci number. You want to determine that what is nth Fibonacci number. So how you will do it actually? How you will do it? Let us see. Using recursion. Using recursion. How you will do it? Let's see. Let's see. Actually, Fibonacci number are started from 0 and 1. The next number is the sum of previous two, 0 plus 1. The next number is the sum of previous two. The next number is the sum of previous two terms. The next number is the sum of previous two terms. So always we find a relation in nth term, that Fibonacci of nth term is said to be the Fibonacci of n minus 1th term plus Fibonacci of n minus 2th term. Everybody know that this term, fifth term, is 5. This is the sum of previous two. This is the sum of previous two. This 2 is the sum of previous two. So this is how we calculate Fibonacci number. And the same thing we will use in our recursive function. Guys, is this make sense? Make sense to you? Make sense to you? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Other people? Okay. Now, now let us try to write the recursive function. Actually, the first step is to calculate the number of parameters. Actually, if only n is there, so I will write a function fib who has int n, only one parameter. Return type is definitely integer, because you want an integer type of value. Fast guys, like the session and join, ask your friends to join it fast if they are here still pending, because a good traffic will increase my enthusiasm definitely. Now let's think about the function body or function call. Actually, the nth term is equals to, nth term is equals to like Fibonacci of n minus 1, n minus 1th term plus Fibonacci of n minus 2th term. You need to return both of them. These are the same function call. These are the same function call, and you need to return. It is body and it is also the function call. You need to think. You need to think about. Step number 3 done. Step number 3 done. Step number 3 done. Yes. Now, step number 4 say that you have to decide the base condition. As n is decreasing, guys, n is decreasing n minus 1, n minus 2. Every time it will come to these things. It will come to these things. So if your n is 0, hey, if your n is 0, that means return 0. This is the very basic Fibonacci code. You need to understand the dry run of this code instead of how to write it. Yes. Can we move to the dry run, guys? Can we move to the dry run? How? For let's say Fibonacci of 4. How this is working? Yes, guys. Can we move to the dry run? How this is working? So so Fibonacci of 4. Fibonacci of 4. Only 25 participants are there. 25 people are there. I was expecting more, but still. So Fibonacci, how the Fibonacci of 4 will work. Actually, the value of n is here 4. Is n 0? No, sir. Is n equals to 1? No, 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 no. That means you have to come to the Fibonacci of n minus 1 plus n minus 2. Definitely, you have to execute these two calls at every n. At every value of n, you have two function call, that is Fibonacci of n minus 1 is 3. The second call is Fibonacci of n minus 2, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. And at the last you have to return both of this summation. Let's suppose this function give you 100, let's suppose, and this function give you 200. So 100 plus 200, that is the value of Fibonacci of 4. Do you feel that the value given by n minus 1, 100, here the n minus 2 given by, let's suppose, 200, you have to return 100 plus 200, that is 300 is the value of this function. That's what I am showing to you. That's what I am showing to you, saying to you. So now let the execution will go to the Fibonacci of 3, and Fibonacci of 3, n is equals to 3 at that moment. So n is 0, no sir. N equals to 1, no sir. Then that means you can write Fibonacci of 3 minus 1, that is 2, and you can write Fibonacci of 3 minus 2, that is 1. That is 1. Now actually the value of Fibonacci of 3 will be the addition of Fibonacci 2 plus Fibonacci of 1. Now at Fibonacci of 2, every time it will happen n equals to 2. So n equals to 0, no sir. N equals to 1, no sir. Return Fibonacci of return Fibonacci of 2 minus 1, that is 1, plus Fibonacci of 2 minus 2, 0. At every moment, na guys, at every moment you have to do these type of try runs. Maybe 4 calls are there, 2 calls are there, 1 call is there. No issue, no issue. Don't think about that how many calls are there. Just you have to write like this, like I am showing to you. Now whenever I color yellow, that means it is the base. And how do I know that these are the base condition, guys? When this value of n is 1, if n is 0, no, 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 n is 1, yes, yes. If n is 0, that means this function value is 1. If n is 0, its value is 0. F of 2, hello, f of 2 will say 1 plus 0 is my value. So what is the value of f of 2, if you feel? 1. Yes or no? When these function are returned, base condition is done, this function value is 1, this function value is 0. Here 1 is there, here 0 is there. 0 plus 1, 1, return it. That means Fibonacci of 2 value becomes 1. Now can you replace this Fibonacci of 2 with 1? Now Fibonacci of 1 actually 1, you know that. Fibonacci of 3 was waiting for its 2 and 1 reply. It gives us 1 plus 1, that is 2. So Fibonacci of 3 value is 2. Now this thing happen. Fibonacci of 3 give us value 2 in the left hand side part. In the right hand side part, Fibonacci of 2 is not calculated yet. So again everything will happen, again everything will happen, again everything will happen, guys. Again everything thing will happen. Is there any problem with the voice, guys? Because I'm in the good network. Hello, is there any problem with the voice? If you're facing any issue with the voice, what is the issue? Let's come back to the topic. Maybe little bit issue is there. It will be resolved. No issue. No issue. Chalo. So this is how now Fibonacci of 2 will be calculated separately because it is not calculated. This is also a function call na. This is also a function call na. If this is also a function call, that means Again, do it. N equals to 2. No, 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 no. N equals to 0 and 1. That means it will be the summation of Fibonacci of 2 minus 2, that is 1, plus Fibonacci of 0. And these are to the base condition. These two are the base condition. And base condition means if n value is 1, it will give us 1. If n value is 0, it will give 1 plus 0, 1. Now, Fibonacci 4 was waiting towards his right goal. You can say this right part 1. 2 plus 2, that is 3. And you know Fibonacci of fourth series is 3. This is how we do it. This is how actually. Fibonacci dry run clear to everybody? Clear or not? Yes, please. Is it clear to you? Hello. How many people are with me? Let me see. 24, 25 people, 18. Sometimes they decrease, sometimes they increase. I was expecting more people because we should be here because you people are here. So this is the Fibonacci that is in front of you, and it is a very famous concept. It is a very famous concept, guys. Actually, if you see from the starting the time complexity of this code, there was only one call. So guys, the time complexity of this code was big of n, because this n is going from n to 0, and auxiliary stack space, because where these function call are stored. Can anybody tell me where these function call are stored? Hello. Is it what? Where is the function call stored? Where are these function call stored? Yes, anybody? Stack space. Stack. So to execute a recursion, extra stack space is used. Still we use recursion in many function, in many ways, because it is the time complexity of this code is big of n. Let so similarly this code is taking the n time. You guys are relating. Again, the function, this function is moving from 1 to n, 1 to n. You can see again the time complexity of this code is big O of n. For this, print n to 1 or 1 to n. This code also having the time complexity of big O of n. Again, let's come to this display. This sum also, the sum of the first. This loop is having n. This is also having the time complexity of big O of n. Guys, do you know about time complexity? Factorial also. But here in this Fibonacci, every code that we did till now is big of n. I want to tell you at this place, actually, the Fibonacci is taking the time complexity of 2 raised to the power n, because at every index, at every, you can say, value of n, we have two function call. So you can see here 2 raised to the power 4 function, actually these calls will be there. The time complexity of this code is considered as 2 raised to the power n for Fibonacci. It has a long trial and we need not to do that. Simply we need to understand that yes, it is having a time complexity of 2 raised to the power n. Ev- in interview it is definitely asked. It can be asked, so you should have reply. So this is Fibonacci. Now let's come to the power part. Let's calculate. You know how to calculate power using recursion. Let's calculate power, and let's say x raised to the exponent e using recursion. Using recursion, guys. I don't know why 60 people reply in the poll if they don't want to join. If they don't want to join, why they reply in the poll? 62 people have replied, and in the group, more than 290 people are there. I don't know what is the issue. Why don't they want to join? Still, power, what does this power means? Actually I'm saying that x raised to the power e. Actually power of x comma e means x raised to the power e. Let's suppose I'm saying 2 raised to the power 4. What does this mean actually, guys? If you know, guys, hello. We are saying that multiplying 2 4 times. Yes or no? Yes or no? 2 raised to the power 4 means multiplying 2. Hello, multiplying 2 4 times. Yes or no? Make sense, guys? 2 raised to the power 4. Actually, here x is 2, e is 4. X raised to the power e, guys. So, actually, can I say this is 2 into this 2 raised to the power 3? 2 raised to the power 3. 2 into simplifying like factorial 2 into, just we are decreasing one thing, we are taking one part outside. 2 into 2 raised to the power 3, and this 2 raised to the power 3 can be written as 2 into 2 raised to the power 2. Now this 2 raised to the power 2 can be written as 2 into 2 raised to the power 1. And you know that x raised to the power 1, note, can you write, do you know, if x power 1, definitely it is x. That means you can use this as a base condition. You can use this as a base condition. Now, when 2 raised to the power 1 came, that means it is a base condition. Can you say it like, yes, guys, it is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. Its value is 4. 4 into 2, 4. Its value is 4 into 2, 8. That means its value is 8. 8 to the 16. So can you say the final value of 2 raised to the power is 8? Like this, just you are stepping your solution into little part. Like if you want to do it using iteration, you will have a answer is equals to 1, and you need to multiply this to e times. So can you execute this loop? Another way to understand, can you execute your loop e times? How you will execute e times? 1 I less than equals to e times e I plus plus, and this answer can be multiplied. Why I am taking 1? Because of multiplication. Answer is equals to answer into this x, and after that answer, yes, you are making your own function. You are making your own function. Now you want to calculate it using recursion, guys. Now you want to yes, nice. You want to do it using recursion. Actually, recursion, the first step is to function name. Let's suppose par, power, and can I say int x, and the second thing is int e. Nice, Akhil, kya baat hai? Everybody. Int means return type is integer. Now let's think that you want to calculate x. That means x multiply. हम्म डबल से भी हो सकता है बिल्कुल. डांस, क्या नाम है? हु आर यू? डांस, आई वांट टू नो अबाउट यू. Power of, see, I'm saying x comma e minus 1, because you've seen like this here na, 2 into 2 raised to the power 3, which is decreasing, e is decreasing actually, and return it. Definitely you will return it. Now every time this E is decreasing, guys, E is decreasing. The last thing is deciding the base condition. When E is decreasing at one time, the value of E will become 1. And you know, if E is 1, that means x raised to the power 1, and you need to return x only, because x raised to the power is x raised to the power 1 is x only. X raised to the power is x only. Now, are you guys getting this power? And I will tell you must optimize way also. Can anybody tell me what is the time complexity of this? Definitely, if you give the right time complexity, you will be awarded. You will be awarded. Definitely. Tell me the exact time complexity of this code by watching this. Or this or this. What you will say? What is the time complexity, guys? I want to check how many people know about these type of things. How many people will reply the correct answer, that what is the time complexity of this code written in front of you, bar x comma e? आदर्श, क्या बात है? सुधीर, नाइस, क्या बात है? दुर्गा, n, what is this n? Akhil, Durga and Akhil, what is this n? My question is with you. My question is with you. My question is with you. What is this n? Hmm. What is this n? What is this n? N means e, sir. So why not to write e? If you are saying that n means e, sir, why you are elaborating me? Why? Yes, everybody. Are you relating, guys? Are you relating what I am saying? Can you say that it is big O of E? By fast typing, we write in place. No, 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 no. That is not excuse. That is not excuse. Yes. Nice. Okay. The time complexity of this big O of E, because actually this loop is going from 1 to E. So this we can say that this is going to big O of E seed. So time complexity is big O of E. And here also the time complexity is big O of E, actually. Big O of E. Don't worry. I'm telling you the optimal solution. I'm telling you the optimal solution. Don't worry. Optimal solution, guys. Can we move to the optimal solution? Can we move to the optimal solution? Right, optimal. Yes. So let's come to the optimal solution without wasting much time, guys. Be here. You are not replying. I want everybody to present here. Hello, everybody. I'm giving the optimal solution for power x comma e. New participants can tell me that they are here. Some new participants are there. Please mark their attendance. Some new participants joined from, guys, optimal. As some observation is there from my side is, see, actually you want to calculate power x comma e. That means you want to calculate, let's suppose, 2 raised to the power 8. Be with my observation. In the previous example, I was multiplying this to 8 times for 2 raised to the power 8, and I'm writing 2 into 2 raised to the power 7. I'm writing, see what I was writing, कि 2 raised to the power 8 is equals to 2 into 2 raised to the power 7. Yes or no? Yes or no? Very nice, very nice. Others up from GMRIT na? Yes. So my observation is, this time I will write 2 raised to the power 4 into 2 raised to the power 4. Okay. These are looking similar. Guys, can I consider this as, let's suppose, a y, and this also will be y? If you calculate y value once, if you calculate the y value once, will you calculate this y repetitively? If this y value is given to you, will you recalculate this, or you will just say y into y and return your answer? Tell me, will you recalculate this y? Will you recalculate this y? Guys, if y, this is y and this is also y, because 2 raised to the power into 2 raised to the power 4, will you recalculate it? Guys, I want your reply fast, 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 fast. If you are a part of the group, no, yeah, definitely, because what we will do, we will calculate 2 raised to the power 4 separately. We will calculate 2 raised to the power 4 separately, and definitely we will not recalculate it. We will use this value. We will use this value for this part. Actually, let's see for 2 raised to the power 4. Guys, you have less enthusiasm. Many of you are not replying. This is not fair. This is not fair. 2 raised to the power 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 2. Oh my god, sir, if I calculate this 2 raised to the power 2, that means I can reuse this value for this. How 2 raised to the power 2 will be calculated? Can I say 2 raised to the power 1 and 2 raised to the power 1? And 2 raised to the power 1 is a base condition. These are the base condition. If you know here, power 1 will be your base condition. Anything's power 1 is the base condition. Now 2 into 2 4. Actually you find the value of 2 raised to the power 2 by some, yes, by some mechanism, by anything, by any magical value. You find the value of 2 raised to the power 2 by some mechanism. Okay, now what you will do, you will reuse this value for this part also. 4 into 4, you will say to 2 raised to the power 16, hey, your value is 4 into 4 16, and then this value will be reused for 2 raised to the power 4, that will be 16 into 16, 256 is your answer for 2 raised to the power 8. Sir, no. We need more dragon. Actually, this is not. It is not the game of X. It is game of E. Don't worry. यहाँ पे 5 होगा ना. 5 will be same. But everything is concerned with the power E, because we are dividing the power E. We want to play. Actually, the time complexity we go of E. We want to decrease or increase it, guys. Everybody, please. We want to increase or decrease it. We want to increase or decrease it. क्या बात है अखिल, ये सब GMRIT के प्रोडक्ट हैं. Yes, the products of GMRIT are playing well. Is it oh नहीं, big of E by 2, नहीं Durga, no. I will tell you. Let's take the one more example, because you will say, sir, you will say कि sir, you did it by 2 raised to the power 8, because you can divide it into, because it was even, you can divide it into 4 into 4. How you will do for 2 raised to the power 6? Can you tell me that If you need to calculate 2 raised to the power 6, guys, please be with me, please be with me. How I will do it, how I will do it. Actually, when even power is there, you can divide it using 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 3, and you can separately calculate one part, and second part, for second part you will reuse the value. But for 2 raised to the power 2, for 2 raised to the power 3, when the e is odd, there are two conditions. Either e is even. If it is even, yes, you will divide e by 2, comma e by 2. Now but for e is odd, oh my god, there is some problem. So we have some mechanism. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, be happy, be chill. We have mechanism like, can we keep one power aside and multiply 2 raised to the power 2, it becomes even. Just the problem is we cannot continue with the odd power, but we can continue with the even power. Yes. Now 2 raised to the power 2, you know how to calculate it. Yes sir. 2 raised to the power 1 into 2 raised to the power 1. We again these are the base condition. These are the base condition. Nahi, sir, we want some more value. Like any value. Can you give me any value to dry run? Any value to dry run, guys, your dry run थोड़ा अच्छी सी, ऐसा नहीं है 75 दे दो, डोंट गिव सो मच लार्ज वैल्यू कि हमारी जिंदगी यहीं पे बीत जाए, नहीं 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 नहीं, समथिंग समथिंग कनेक्टिविटी, गाइस। चलो 2 रेज टू द पावर 9 फर्स्ट रिप्लाई, ठीक है, ओके। 2 raised to the power 9, let's take it. 2 raised to the power 9, because I said you it is not the game of x, it is the game of e actually. It is the game of e actually. You have to play with, because you're watching that x is always same, x is always same, but we are decreasing or increasing, we are playing with the e. That's why now 2 raised to the power e means, sir, e is odd. E is odd means take 2 separately and do 2 raised to the power 8. Treat it like it as a 2 raised to the power 8, guys. Treat it like 2 raised to the power 8. Do you know 8 divided by 2 is 4, and in integer division what is 9 divided by 2? Can you tell me what is 9 divided by 2 in integer division? In integer division what is 9 by 2? 9 by 2, 9 by 2, guys. Integer division 9 by 2. Yes. Yes. Many people are there still not replying. I don't know what they want. So so that means it is 4 integer division. We will do n by 2, and 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 8, we will treat like it 2 raised to the power 4 into 2 raised to the power 4, guys. Optimality. Now I will calculate this part separately and use that value for this part. 2 raised to the power 4 is actually 2 raised to the power 2 into 2 raised to the power 2, and again 2 raised to the power 2 is 2 raised to the power 1 and 2 raised to the power 1, which are the base conditions. Yellow color them, and let's again write, and 2 into 2 4, its value is 4. This complete value will be reused here. 4 into 4 16. Now 16 into 16 into 2, that means 5 1 2. This is how we are calculating. And what is the time complexity? I don't know, sir, I don't know. Let's discuss. Let us discuss about the time complexity later. But I want to ask, can we jump to that code? Or if you want more dry run, if you are getting what is the optimal one, if you are getting or not, please tell me. If you want more thing, if you want more thing, or you are getting what is the optimal solution at that moment, please. At least 26 or 27 participants are there. You can update about that. You can fill the chat box by your concern. Can we move towards the code? Only one replies. Where are other people's? Then we will write the code. You should more enthusiastic than me. Why I need to actually see my motivation. Out of 297 people, only 60 respond, and out of 60 those who respond in the group, 25 people are joining. 25 25 people are joining. I have to put in on LinkedIn, I guess. there is a lack of LinkedIn post. I will post it on LinkedIn that successfully completed the day 3. And yes, I have to post. Yes. Okay, let's move towards the code. Actually, I'm calculating the power. I'm calculating the power. Int n, int x, and int e. This is the int e. And because more people should reach out this, and they are not reaching out. Actually, many needful people are there, when many needy people are there, but they don't know. That's why I ask again and again, please ask your friends to join, share them to your friends, share this to your friends. Guys, every time you are calling this function, hello, you are calling this function like this, par x comma e by 2. Now sir, is this in both condition if it is even or odd? Yes, because if it is even, like 8 by 2 is 4. You want to calculate x comma 4? Yes. Sir, for 9 also you will divide it like x, and then x ki power 4 and x ki power 4. 9 by 2 is 4 na? 9 by 2 is 4. That means odd, for odd and even both things will work. Let us say it as y. Y is equals to par x comma e comma by 2. Now let's suppose your your e was even. Tell me, if e was even, you want to return, guys, you want to return how easy and how difficult? You want to return y into y. But else means you have odd e. Odd e means, hello, odd e means this x multiply by y multiply by y. Yes, makes sense. Makes sense. You want to return one extra one extra x multiply with y into y if it is a odd. If it is even, definitely y into y for odd. And what is the base condition? What is the base condition? Guys, e is equals to 1. That means return x. Makes sense. How many people, if you are not getting, you can freely ask. You can freely ask. It is the same base condition, no issue. You are calculating actually by e by 2. And if it is even, returning y into y. If it is odd, you can return x into y into y. Guys, how many people, if you have any doubt, please ask, please ask. Optimality, and we will see the time complexity also. We will discuss the time complexity. Guys, please tell, what, Sudhir, what repetition do you want? From where do you want it? Code or dry run, whatever, please clear clear that thought. What repetition do you want? Hmm. ठीक है. Dance? Who are you? Can you tell me about yourself? Who is this dance? Who is this dance? I want to know each and every who is joining. Dance, do you want Hindi, English? Abba dabba jabba. Do you know anything? So let us say power function with 2 comma 4. Let us take 2 comma 4. Now x value is 2, e value is 4. If e equals to 1, e is 4. 4 is equals to 1. No, 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 no. That means you have to calculate y. You have to calculate y, that is equals to power function with 2 comma 4 by 2 2. Now, do you feel that this function call should be executed and the value of y should be calculated, then only this remaining part will be executed, yes or no? This is the remaining part for 2 comma 4. For function 2 comma 4, you have to understand, because it is a function call. Yesterday I have shown you this is a function call. So first of all, power of 2 comma 2 will be executed only, then you can continue with if else. This is the pending for 2 comma 4. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? So power of 2 comma 2 is in execution now. Now e is equals to 1. No, 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 because e value is actually 2. Now power of, again this thing will happen. Why? This function has its separate y. This function is at having its separate y is equals to power 2 comma 1, because 2 by 2 is 1. This is okay. Okay, no issue, no issue, no issue. Let's execute this function first, then only you can return this part of 2 comma 2 function. Now power of 2 comma 1, when coming to execution, equals to 1. Yes, yes, if equals to 1, that means this function will be replaced, this function will be replaced with value 2. Yes or no? No, now this power function is called 2 comma 1. So 2 comma 2, sorry, 2 comma 2 was called by 2 comma, 2 comma 1 was called by 2 comma 2. At 2 comma 2, y is 2. If e modulus 2 equals to 0, e value is 2. Yes, yes. So this function will return y into y. Y is 2, return y into y. That means this function value is 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. Actually y into y return what is true, because this is 2 na. 2 means 2 into 2, that is 4. Now y value is 4 at 2 comma 4. At 2 comma 4 y value is 4. Now you will calculate e. If you will calculate this part, if e is even, yes, 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 return y into y value is 4. 4 into 4, 16 will be returned at this place. 16 will be returned at this place. Yes. But let's suppose we are calculating 2 raised to the power 5. We are calculating 2 raised to the power 5. If we want to calculate power 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5 means again e is 1, no sir. So you will calculate y equals to power. You have to visualize the things. You have to visualize the things. 2 comma 2. First of all you calculate 2 comma 2. Okay, okay. Now, first of all, power of 2 comma 2 will be executed. Then only you can continue with the power of 2 comma 5. Pending part, that is this. This is the pending part. This is the pending part. So now you will do power of 2 comma 2 like this. Y is equals to like the previous one, power of 2 comma 1, and it is base condition which is giving you 2. 2 into 2, 4. Actually now the real play start. At 2 comma 5 your value of y is 4. You will check if e modulus 2 is equals to 0. No, 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 e value is 5. So return x into y into y. X is 2, it will return 2 into y value is 4 into 4, that is 32. If it makes sense to you, because after calculating its half value, after calculating its y value into y, you will return it is half into half or half into half into x, according to the even and odd condition, guys. Make sense? Yes or no? Guys, how many of you are relating fast? I was thinking to continue with the array today, but still I don't think so. Today array thing will be completed, and after array, don't worry, Iggy, you are taking 3 4 5 6 7 days. You have to learn each and everything. This is the motto of the session. Live session means free session. Live sessions motto is to make you people understand in 1 hour. Maybe we are doing 1 question, 2 question, 3 question, 4 question, doesn't matter. You should present here mentally, physically. No charge is taken to you. I know the free things are considered as bad, but you people are willing, then only we are trying to do it. Many people left in between, and many people don't, they just vote in the group and they don't want to do anything. They don't want to do anything, just they want to vote. This is not the case that you will work. Now done it optimality. Let's now discuss about the now let's discuss about the time complexity of this code. The time complexity actually, if you know, but yes, I'm always motivated. I want to help you. That's why only the reason is you people. Many supporting people are there. Love from your side, liking the session. See, every time you are dividing E into half. Hello, every time you are dividing E into half from 4 to from 2 to 1. Actually, when we divide our input, hello, actually when we divide our input into half, the time complexity will become log n, and n is here E. So we go of log of E because we are dividing the time complexity of this code. That means previously we was calculating in uh, big of E. Oh my god, now we are calculating this thing into big of log of E by having some observation. How easy is this? How easy is this? How easy is this? Yes, guys, log of E, big of log of E. From big O of E we came to log of E. How less we decreased it, how less we are copying it. So this power function will work definitely. You have to practice these type of things. Take the values, dry run according to yourself. You have to dry run. I am just showing you to how to dry run, but you have to dry run again. I repeat, without your efforts, without your fingers, without your typing, nothing can happen. Nothing can happen. Hello, will you follow, guys? Please try to understand. These are the small efforts we post for you people, and if you people understand that these efforts can make you something better, please. Tomorrow we will learn how to operate on the arrays, because tomorrow definitely 2 3 question we will take from the array, and you will enjoy how we are operating on the arrays. Today we did some more execution problems. Please, where are you guys? Are you there? Will you try? And tomorrow we will make some question on array, and actually these will be the question how the things are working. You will understand. Ask your friends. You can post on LinkedIn also. If you feel that I'm doing something good for you, you can post these my YouTube links to your group, official unofficial WhatsApp group or LinkedIn, or anywhere in the groups where you feel that you can post. No issue, you can tag me on the Instagram, LinkedIn, anywhere. Just a little efforts for you people. So today it was a great session, and we are wrapping up the session. If you have, sir, you explain bit manipulation, हाँ पक्का 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 दुर्गा, जो भी अपनी है इस वीडियो के कमेंट में लिख दो, राइट इन द कमेंट ऑफ दिस, so that in future I will see the comments and I will be okay this thing, because yes, the day before yesterday also graph series demand was there. After recursion, graph, and then bit manipulation, write in the comment box whatever, because in future I will see and I will be motivated कि अच्छा 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 ये चाहिए, ये चाहिए. Guys, spread this thing, spread as much as you can, spread these things as much as you can. Ask your friends, be motivated. I will teach each and every concept free of cost to you people. And just a little request again, if you haven't still subscribed my channel, please subscribe, share it as much as possible. Let us definitely meet tomorrow if God wants. If you have any doubt or any thing in your mind, write it in the comments, because after this live session comments are there. go there go there and write there. एक शायरी की डिमांड बिल्कुल कहेंगे, कहा था कि हाँ, जो मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, एक बार 2 लाइनें वे कही थी कि हँसता रहे चेहरा, मुस्कुराता रहे चेहरा हँसता बन जाएगा, मुस्कुराता रहे चेहरा हँसता बन जाएगा, एक-एक फूल जोड़ देख गुलदस्ता बन जाएगा। और 4 लाइनें मेरे दिमाग में आती है कि बिकॉज़ वी आर लाइफ इज़ अ जर्नी, बिकॉज़ लाइफ इज़ अ जर्नी, कि ज़िंदगी एक सफ़र है और सफ़र में मुश्किलें, कि ज़िंदगी एक सफ़र है और सफ़र में मुश्किलें, ऐसे में थकान का असर बड़ी जल्दी होता है, और ज़रूरत हो तो पुकार लेना है दोस्त, मेरी दुआओं का असर बड़ी जल्दी होता है, मेरी दुआओं का असर बड़ी जल्दी होता है। गाइस, अगेन if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it fast. Ask your friends, spread it as much as you can, and definitely I will be teaching you each and everything for the free of cost. All the best, keep coding, keep learning. Any doubt, any suggestion, you're open on the chat, on the comment box of the videos. I will be judging from there. Tomorrow we will be solving array problem. All the best, guys. Good night, and let's thank you everybody for joining the session. Spread this again and again. I'm saying, any doubt, anything, spread this as much as you can. Thank you everybody. Love you all. Love you all. Keep smiling, keep coding, and वही कहूँगा अगेन, आसान मत समझना सफर शोहरतों का, आसान मत समझना सफर शोहरतों का, बदनाम होना पड़ता है नाम कमाने के लिए, बदनाम होना पड़ता है. एवरीबडी नो मी ना? एनीबडी इज हियर जो हु डोंट नो मी? एनीबडी? अच्छा, because some people are from GMRIT, they know me, who I am. Some people are anjan, that means unknown. Hello. Anybody who is here unknown, who don't know me, because my face is not visible to you. Only you can hear my voice. My handwriting is in front of you. Anybody? Yes. Rajya Lakshmi. Rajya Lakshmi. You don't know me. GMRIT always remember. Hey, bhai. Thank you. You want my introduction? Anybody who don't know me can ask. I have seen you. अरे तुमने तो, I know you people, Sudhir. And if you want my introduction, anybody who don't know me, Rajya Lakshmi, where are you from? You know me or you don't know me? क्या कहना क्या चाहते हैं? What do you want to say? You know or you don't know? There's some voice issue. From tomorrow we will see, maybe. Okay, I will not introduce because everybody know me. If you don't know me, then you can ask to. Uh, okay, so guys, good night. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye. Love you all. Bye.